This is how you make some awesome takoyaki in the comfort of your own home. These octopus balls are some of the tastiest street food around, and I can't wait to get stuck in, so let's go! And to start off, you'll need 1 packet of Otafuku Okonomiyaki and Takoyaki flour. You'll find clear and concise instructions on how to make either takoyaki or okonomiyaki on the back of the packet. To make the takoyaki batter, enter the whole packet of mix into a bowl. Next, add 2.5 cups of water, 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now give it a good mix and you should end up with a thin yet velvety mixture that looks like this. Okay, now it's time to heat up your takoyaki plate and make sure the individual holes are well oiled. Pour the batter into each of the compartments like so, filling them to the top. And don't worry if the batter overflows, because as you'll soon see, it's all part of the plan. As the batter is slowly cooking, drop 1 piece of octopus into each compartment. Now it's time to add loads of Otafuku tempura bits, aka Tenkasu. Next, add a layer of finely sliced green onions. Oh, and don't forget to sprinkle on some finely diced benji shoga ginger. This is going to give your takoyaki balls an aromatic splash of colour and a really nice kick. After a few minutes, the batter will firm up and there'll be a crispy outer shell on the bottom of the takoyaki. At this point, take your takoyaki pick and flip the balls into a 90-degree position. And once they're all standing upright, pour in some more batter to fill in those gaps. Okay, now it's a bit of a waiting game until they've firmed up a bit more. Using your pick, rotate each of the balls as they cook. Repeat the process until each of the little takoyakis have a light brown and crispy shell. And when your takoyaki look like this, they are done. Now it's time to remove them from the hot plate and plate them up. I like to serve them up in these disposable wooden plates that are shaped like boats. They're authentic and purpose-built for Japanese street food such as takoyaki and yakisoba. And it also makes them look pretty cool, so there you go. And now it's time to load on the toppings. Now there is an order to the toppings, so take note. First, on goes the quintessential takoyaki sauce made by Otafuku. Next, sprinkle on plenty of aonori seaweed. After that, drizzle on loads of Japanese mayonnaise. And finally, top it off with a healthy handful of katsuobushi fish flakes. And voila, you have some awesome takoyaki! These octopus balls look sensational and they're packed full of flavour. In fact, I'd go as far to say they're takoyaki-tastic. Yum-mo! And that's how you make fabulous takoyaki with a little help from Otafuku. I am the Bento Buster in Tokyo, Japan, and thank you for watching. For more content like this, please like and subscribe.